Don't eat that!
Say something to me.
So, disclaimer right now, if this bitch dies, I am not liable. Hey, what's up you guys? We're back at it again with another episode of Shade and Other Things, where I am Shade and Margaret is...
Other things.
This bitch. So today we have a cooking competition going on for you guys. So we both bought a bunch of ingredients. You're going to see some clips of that in a little bit. And we are going to surprise each other and give each other an item to make. And we are going to have no instructions.
Can't Google anything.
We're doing this completely off intuition. So hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, so we are shopping for the meal Johnny will be making, which is vegan jambalaya. I wish him luck with this.
Hola everyone, I'm here in the market and buying stuff for our meals tonight. So I got my stuff here.
Oh my god, zoom in on my face. So apparently I can't close my tab and record myself at the same time. Alright, then we need a red pepper and a green pepper. Anyways, I am picking out Johnny's ingredients for the jambalaya he will be making. I wish this motherfucker some luck making this shit, and it's vegan. I don't know, man. I can't find the fucking green or red peppers anywhere.
Okay, so I spent 20 minutes searching for vegan cheese, and apparently they don't have it here, so go figure. Ugly ass green peppers.
And they only have the red ones. What is that? Why? Why is that how it's packaged? Just one. That's some bullshit. Look at this little bitch right behind me. So, my dish, I don't know how many of my ingredients you guys can see, but this is vegan jambalaya, so.
So, what I'm having Margaret make is portobello and sausage stuffed vegan egg rolls.
Alright, I got this.
So timer starts.
Timer starts now. So we're about to do our cook-off. These are all of the ingredients.
So, in case we didn't tell you guys, what we're making, we're going to take to a party we're going to tonight and have everyone try some. So, stay tuned for poisoning alerts on the news. So, I'm probably sure you guys have been wondering where we've been, and we've been lazy pieces of shit. So, we just haven't had time to record, and our schedules have been crazy, and then someone tried to poison one of us, and it's just a lot. So now that the holiday season is over and we have a little more free time, we're definitely going to get back to recording a little more. At least try to be somewhat consistent, but you know, we're not consistent, but we're here.
Exactly. Can I get name it?
Oh god.
It's probably supposed to be this way.
I don't know if it's gonna help or hurt that we're drinking. What the fuck are you doing, Margaret? I don't think I've turned around once where you haven't been eating your fucking food.
took a paddle. What's that?
Fuck yeah.
A paddle.
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god, look at how big those chunks of bacon are. Oh my god! Holy crap! Well then.
I'm gonna edit the audio out of that.
Man. So you wanted a hearty meal? This is definitely it.
Jambalaya.
You got the green pepper and red pepper french fries in there.
Do you have a lid, Margaret?
Oh my goodness. Alright, what? Do you want it for yours or mine?
Yep.
I had a lid. I know like that. You've got your oil too hot. Oh shit. This is what happens when you have your oil too hot. You get very dark egg rolls.
Let's try again, Mark.
I like dark egg rolls. They remind me of my soul.
It's like a burnt dick. Mark, don't eat that! So, disclaimer right now, if this bitch dies, I am not liable.
Fuck these egg rolls. Got me doing this origami bullshit. These are guinea pigs. Trying the jambalaya.
It's got some, it's got jambalaya consistency. Sage breaths? Oh,
Okay then. Okay.
I feel like that was supplemented in my mouth. But, off of first impressions, it's good. It's vegan, right?
Yeah,
That's the whole
yeah.
thing.
Both dishes are vegan.
So it's giving me the bell pepper's giving me like the sensation of eating shrimp. I don't know if
Okay.
that's kind of, but like the texture wise.
Okay.
Like it's,
Not you. Okay.
I mean, I love shrimp, so like when I heard jambalaya, I was like, okay.
Yeah.
I tasted it. I was like, okay, texture wise.
All right.
What the fuck is this?
Okay. Ready? So these are the two meals that were made today. John made
No,
one, I
these
made
are
the other
not
one.
meals.
Alright, first off, sit your ass down and
I
stop
just threw
bitching.
these up.
You're such a dick.
The
You're really being a dick.
Who's is whose?
You have to
Oh, I
eat
have
it
to tell you which one
and
I like
tell
better.
us who made what. What is wrong with you? You haven't even tried it yet. I should have just made fucking pizza. Right.
Yes.
I couldn't tell you what dish it is.
I didn't ask you to tell me what fucking dish it was. Do you like it?
It's edible. I mean, it could do without some veggies. It's a little mushy.
What is this soup?
It's a soup?
Okay, come on!
This flavor's good though.
Okay, good. Now eat the egg roll.
You can know what this is, so maybe you cooked it.
Well, we cooked them together.
You cooked both of these together?
Well, at the house. Johnny cooked one. I
Ooh. It's weird. What are you doing?
What do you think? It's the type of food you eat.
Hey guys, so we just finished our cooking challenge. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, give us a like, a comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing more cooking challenges as well as some story times. And we think you guys are going to like us. So, so yeah, just go ahead, give us a follow. We appreciate it. We love all of you guys. And stay tuned for more. We're not consistent, but we're here.